Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving 1% family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and carry fish for lunch. Later I'll carry you soon in a new journey of story. Turning the tide. Now let's go. In a small coastal town lived a couple, Sarah and Michael. Both married for 10 years, they faced their toughest challenge yet. Michael, a devoted fisherman, had always provided for their family with the bounties of the sea. But a series of violent storms had ravaged their waters, leaving their livelihood in jeopardy. Sarah, a resilient and optimistic woman, she refused to let despair take root. She stood by Michael, reminding him for their vows and the dreams they had shared. Each morning she walked with him to the dock, holding his hand tightly, whispering words of encouragement. The sea tests us, but together we are stronger, she would say. One particularly harsh morning, Michael felt utterly defeated. The boat lay battered and his spirit was sinking. Seeing the depth of his despair, Sarah took action. She gathered their small savings and bought in few nets and supplies. She joined Michael on the boat, ready to face the tempestuous sea alongside him. Together they navigated the treacherous water as their bonds unbreakable. Sarah's unwavering support and belief in their ability to overcome doubts reignited Michael's determination. They worked tirelessly and their heart and hands moving in harmony. Weeks turned into months and their perseverance began to pay off. They started bringing in the largest catches they had ever seen. Words spread throughout the town about their incredible comeback. They became a symbol of hope and resilience for everyone. One evening, as they watched the sunset over the calm waters, Michael turned to Sarah, his eyes filled with the gratitude and love. "You turned the tide not just for our boat, but for my heart," he said softly. Sarah smiled, her heart swelling with pride. "We turned it together, my love, always together." Their story became a testament to the power of unwavering support and love, showing that with the right partner by your side, any storm can be weathered and any tide can be turned. Last moral of the story is true love and support can overcome even the greatest challenges, turning despair into triumph. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.